Oh, boss, I'm not gonna look that cute. You know, man, I don't have my makeup on. I can talk to you on Microsoft Teams. So how I look so amazing, right? Is that if you go to, where the stop, microphone, right? Stop video, right? On the stop video, the first thing you wanted to do is you wanted to go to choose your background, choose your virtual background or virtual background, right? Okay, you're gonna see that, and then on the bottom right, if you're updated, right, you will see this thing called the studio effect. I'm just gonna show you the effect so that way you can see it. There's this thing called the studio effects. All my team member and all the virtual assistant, I should learn that. So you can see right now, I'm turning off my eyebrow. Can you see it? So you can obviously make it darker, right? And then you can see my lipstick, right? This is what it usually will look like. I just pick one color and then, and you can make it like really dark, or like kind of light, so I kind of like it lighter. And then I just apply to all my calls. So right now I just use Zoom, right? It's on video setting itself. I'm gonna share that with you too. It's because I don't really like to put makeup on too much, right? So here there's this thing called a touch up. You can see right now, if I'm dragging this right now, you can see, right, this is the maximum. You can see my face is really smooth. Let's see that you can see my freckles right here, some of my pimples right here, right? But if you go here, you can barely see it anymore. And then the last thing is obviously I adjust low light lighting. So I just adjust my lighting to make sure that it looks, like bright, because sometimes like this is kind of dark. This is the reason why Zoom is dominating this market, because Microsoft Teams, Google Hangout, neither one of them has it. My team does not want to use them. Oh, boss, I'm not gonna look that cute, if I'm using Google Hangout, or man, I don't have my makeup on. I can talk to you on Microsoft Teams. I only want to do Zoom because somehow Zoom just made me beautiful. So again, this is a quick tutorial, and we're gonna clip this out, send it to you in a little bit and add some, filter, and screenshot of it so that way you can see it. But yeah, this is what we teach a VA to do it all the time. And sometimes we just forget to teach business owners because we just assume that you know it all, right?